Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Spark program. Now this is a program where the government plans to spend 40 billion Jamaican dollars to fix the roads in Jamaica. Now the video started on Eastwood Park Road and we are now going on to Red Hills Road and then we're going to head on to Washington Boulevard. Now the roads in Jamaica, especially the community roads, they are in a very bad state, full of potholes, and this program is needed, definitely needed. So, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on how far this program has reached. Consultations with community members have started for the government's 40 billion road improvement project under the Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to Our Road Network Spark program. The first in the series of Spark program town hall meetings was held at the Edith Dalton James High School in Dehaney Park. The meetings provided an opportunity for residents to engage with the various government stakeholders on the road network in their communities. The Spark program was announced by Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness earlier this year and aims to address and improve the island's community road network. Expected outcomes include improved road safety, better localized drainage, and reduced travel time, vehicle operating costs, and motor vehicle carbon emissions. Addressing residents at the meeting, Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Honorable Desmond Mackenzie, reminded them that the project aims to improve their lives. This project is non-partisan. It is not a political program. Regardless of what color shirt you wear, your front end feels it. So you don't have one road for green and one for orange. Everybody uses the same road and everybody is affected in the same way, he said. Mr. Mackenzie argued that the success of the program depends on the participation of the communities. We are here with you this evening not to dictate to you, but for you to have a say. This will benefit all of us. It's a program that involves all the stakeholders and I ask you to have confidence in the program. But most importantly, have the confidence in yourselves as community representatives to make the right choice in determining the future of the program in Western St. Andrew, he said. He pointed out that there are more than 22,000 kilometers of roads across 22 kilometers. He pointed out that there are more than 22,000 kilometers of road across Jamaica. But the greater portion of our road network is what the community travels on, and so the program although it is being done through the CDF, the Constituency Development Fund, it involves the local authorities, the minister said. Constituency Development Fund Director said that a collaborative approach will be taken in the execution of the Spark program, noting that the consultations will assist in determining the roads to be repaired. We, the CDF, are the vehicle that is being used to do consultations. We are not implementing. We are going to go to the 228 divisions and hear from you, the residents and citizens of this country. The CDF will consult the NWA National Works Agency. So the CDF will consult. The National Works Agency will implement. The SDC will mobilize. The Ministry of Local Government will do mapping and the National Water Commission is here to support, she outlined. Ms. Rochester told the residents that Spark is not a patching program. She noted that 20 billion of the budgeted amount will be spent on community and local roads, while the remainder will be used for main roads. Alright, so that is the end of the update article. So 20 billion for community roads, 20 billion for main roads. This project is needed because the community roads, they need help. They need to be fixed. And the good thing is that this program is not a patching program, so they're going to fix the entire stretch or road. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this project. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.